Want to add a GIF in CapCut PC and make your videos more fun or expressive? Here's how to do it in a few simple steps. First, open any browser and search for the GIF you want to use. Once you see the results, click on the Images tab at the top. Pick any animated GIF from the results, right-click on it, and choose Save Image As. Select a folder on your computer and click Save. You can repeat this to download as many GIFs as you want. Now open CapCut PC and click on Create Project. Inside the CapCut editor, go to the Media section and click Import. Select the GIF file you just downloaded and click Open to bring it into your media library. Next, drag the GIF from the media library onto the timeline. You can adjust its size, position, and duration as needed. You can even apply effects, remove the background, or blend it with other elements in your video. Once you're done, click Play to preview your result. That's how you can add GIFs to CapCut on PC. Like for more quick CapCut tips and comment below if you need help with anything. Don't forget to subscribe for more editing tutorials.